What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Look where I am. I am in the kitchen today, and today we are going to cook up a deer heart. You know, I got my boy home with me today, and it's kind of too late for us to head out in the woods and take a few shots. So he said, let's make a video, and he reminded me that we have a deer heart in the fridge. So I said, let's take it out, and it's been a long time I have made a cooking video. Plus, my son, he never tried a deer heart before. So he said, let's cook it up, then we can try it out. I eat it before, but he never eat any as yet. So this is the heart right here. Going to cut it up, clean it out, and then fry it up. I'm going to just use some of this season and fry it up, and then we can try it out. Also have a few wraps here. We're going to wrap it up and try it out, and let's see how he like it. So I don't really wanna show too much of, you know, cutting it up and clean it out. So when you guys tune in back, you're gonna see this thing all cut up nice and ready to fry up. So stay tuned. All right, guys, this is what I get a little bit more, but this is what I'm gonna just cook just for me and him. And I just take some of this and just throw all over it. I already have some oil going already, so not gonna be that long. Don't wanna. This thing don't want a lot of seasoning, you know. But take me a little more, and then we should be good to go right there. The oil is already going already, and he's there now just playing around. He can't wait. Let me test this oil. Woo-hoo. Right, really good already. That thing is frying really good. Man, it smells really good. So let me give them a flip. The heart, it don't take long to fry. When we get this deer, he hold on the deer heart, man. He hold on it for deer life, because they really want to try. Deer have a little bit of fat onto it. I cut off the majority of it, still popping. So you know it's gonna be really good. Not too much longer. Look on that right there. A little bit overdone, but shut that off and let that finish simmer down. Then I'm going to call him down, get some stuff ready, and then tune on right back. Alright guys, look who I got here with me, guys, and this is it right there. Maybe a little bit overcooked, but still going to be good anyway. So I'm going to let him try the first piece. I already have a couple of pieces already because dear heart, it's really good. So try a piece.
It's good.
It tastes like
normal meat.
it tastes like steak.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, guys, if you cook a deer heart and you give it to someone who said they will never eat deer heart, if you give this to them without them know, they won't know a thing right here. It's really good. We were going to eat some wraps with it, but this thing on deer heart, it have kind of a little sweetish taste to it. Really good, and he's champing it right now. We also have I think moose liver or something in the fridge. We're gonna have to try to find that, and when he's home with me again, we're going to cook that up. I just say I haven't made a cooking video now for a good time, so he's home, so I said let's just make one. But it's really good, guys. If you guys out there hunting, take the heart home with you. If you don't blow it up, take it home, cook it up, and enjoy as much as the animal as you can. So we have a couple more heart in the fridge, lots of deer meat, a few pieces of moose meat as well. It's there. This is good. So drop it in the comment, guys. Let me know if you guys have ever eat any deer heart or moose heart or what kind of animal you hunt. Let me know how it is, but I know deer heart right here, it's really good. We always keep the heart, and every now and then we having like a get together, you know, we just fry it up and enjoy. But that's going to be it for now, guys. We're gonna sit here, eat this, and leave a little bit for the rest of the family, and that's going to be it. But for now, guys, always remember, guys, peace, love, unity, finger licking, out for now.